Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video I am going to show you exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from meme coins without ever touching a single chart. And the way I do it is honestly not complicated. I create the coins instead of trading them. Most people are out here losing a bunch of money.
Stop! I'm a fat! No! I just got rugged! All good, bro, thank you.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault, man. Damn, all good. Thank you, bro.
But I do the complete opposite. I am the dev, I am the one launching the coin with a viral narrative, and I let everyone buy my coin so that I can just sell my supply after. That's exactly how I make money from launching coins. And yes, it's fully repeatable. You can launch as many coins as you want. Today, I am giving you the full method live on camera for completely free. I will show you every single step into making the coin, and then I will be attempting to launching a coin live in front of your face to show you how easy it is. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I am not here to LARP or to misguide you. I've actually made my money from creating meme coins in the past couple of years. I know what I'm talking about, and I do not sell a single thing. I'm just here to show you the method, by the way. Now here's exactly why deving meme coins is more consistent and way more profitable than trading them. And that is because the raw reality of these coins is that when they are launched, they go to zero no matter what, just like this chart right here. I would say most of the time when the coin pumps, it will go to zero in the long run no matter what. That's exactly how meme coins move, and if you were in the space for a bit, bro, you know that this happens most of the time. It's inevitable, and that's exactly why I stopped trading, because I want to be on the winning side. So that's why I launched coins instead. Now I am the one making these coins, waiting for buyers and profiting from every single buy in my coin to just sell my supply after. It's way better, and I make thousands of dollars a day by doing this every single day, bro. I am not capping. I am actually here to show you how it's done. I will be bringing on my entire strategy from A to Z. I will show you how to find narratives and then how to launch a coin. I will even do a live launch to show you how it's done from my perspective. So keep watching, bro. It's going to be financial insane if you want to start making money right now. And guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is only cap. Now first of all, bro, head over to a website called launchmemes.io. Here is where we will be creating our coins for the Solana blockchain. Now, instead of launching our coins on Pump.Fun, we are actually going to be launching our coins on Raydium, which is basically the migration section right here. Every single meme coin here is on Raydium, and it was most likely created from a launchpad like launchmemes.io. This launchpad allows you to launch your coins on Raydium immediately. You can skip the entire bonding curve that Pump.Fun requires, and your coins can go immediately to Raydium, reaching thousands of people. And as you guys can see, most coins on Pump.Fun go absolutely nowhere, so you need to be launching your coins on Raydium if you want to maximize your profits. That's why I make my coins on launchmemes.io. Now, making a meme coin on launchmemes.io for Raydium is extremely easy. Some people overcomplicate it, bro, but you have a couple strategies. You can either create a coin from scratch, so this is good if you have a pre-narrative in mind already. So if you have a narrative, you can turn it into a meme coin. Just invent a name, symbol, and image, and it's done and launched, right? Or you can use their free Twitter tracker. So if you connect your Phantom wallet for free, you can turn tweets into meme coins live. So for example, if Donald Trump made a tweet, okay, anybody, you can turn that into a meme coin, right? That is one other strategy. But we have my favorite strategy, which is copying trending coins. This right here is what I made all my money from. Basically, instead of creating a coin from scratch and testing your luck on a new coin, you can just copy a coin that's already working right here and relaunch it to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers, because every single meme coin here is proven to get a bunch of buyers. They're all going viral on Pump.Fun, and they all have a bunch of success. So we are going to be copying one coin here back to Raydium to make money. You guys will see right now. So obviously, bro, let's do a live dev to see how much I can make on camera in front of you, okay, from a copy. Now connect your Phantom wallet, that is the first step, and let's copy a coin, okay. I don't care about the narrative, just copy a coin that you have not copied before. So I'm gonna just go for the Bolano meme coin right here, click on copy the Raydium, ignore that warning from Phantom, this is completely normal and safe, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be launched, or minted, not launched yet, but minted on Solana. You guys will see what I mean. Boom, and yeah, let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create a supply. Like that, our coin can go to Raydium and skip the bonding curve, right, that Pump.Fun requires. So for the amount of coins, right, click on 90%. I would highly recommend to do 90% of the supply for every single launch that you do in the future. Okay, every single one of them. For the amount of SOL pair, this is a dev buy for yourself. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose this. It's important like that you can have supply in your own coin. You will get this on the back later, so it's not a big deal. Click on create pool, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin will be live actually. So boom, as you guys can see, it's live. Click on refresh, and now you have the pool, and now it's live. You have your P&L here, you have all your stats. Let's go see the chart. It's really important as a dev to view the chart to see what is going on. I use Photon. Go on any trading platform and go find your coin, and boom, it's already pumping. People are buying in. This is exactly what I mean about deving. It's insane. The power of Raydium is insane. Let's go see how much we're up. Click on refresh. We're already up $200 on this meme coin within seconds. Okay, it's insane, guys. Like, trading is just so bad. Just start creating coins. I'm not sure why not a lot of people are talking about this, but it's not a big deal. When I come back, I will show you how much we made and how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, after like 10 minutes, we're up a decent amount. Our coin is kind of consolidating, but it's not a big deal. Come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh to see how much we're up. This was the last refresh, so click on refresh. Oh my god, we're up. Okay, we're up $2.8 thousand, boys. That's insane. Within like 10 minutes from deving this meme coin. Now look, click on the minus button. Here, do 100%, but it's kind of discretionary. You can do whatever you want, right? I just do 100% to get it over with. Click on remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully out and cashed out. Boom, we just cashed out on our meme coin. And look, if I open my phantom wallet for proof, bang! Oh, $2.79 thousand in my phantom wallet. Okay, this was pure profits. Obviously the point 0.3 came too. Launchmemes.io is linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent, please. Just launch. Do not give up. If you only make like $100 or something, just launch over and over again, and good luck.